Let's work some more implicit differentiation. Here we have y equals x sine of y. Now, because I have y on both sides of the equation, I have to use implicit differentiation. And because I have x times sine of y, I know I need to use the product rule. So as a reminder, the product rule is ab prime plus a prime times b. So in this case, x is my a and sine of y is going to be my b. So now let's take the derivative of y with respect to x and use implicit differentiation. Step 1, take the derivative. Like we said, the derivative of y is 1, but because it doesn't have an x value, we will write dy dx. Now we're going to use the product rule. ab prime leaves me with x cosine of y, and again there's a y, so I will attach a dy dx, plus a prime b, a prime, so the derivative of x is 1, and then I have sine of y. Now in this case, it's just sine of y. We're just not taking the derivative of y in this part of the product rule. Just cleaning up a little bit here, dy dx is going to be equal to x cosine y dy dx plus sine of y. Just dropping the ones to make everything a little bit easier to work with. Now we can move on to step 2, which is to move all of the dy dx terms to the left side of the equation and everything else to the right side of the equation. From here, we're going to move to step 3, which is to factor out the dy dx. So if I take dy dx out of everything on the left-hand side, that leaves me with 1 minus x cosine of y, and that's all equal to sine of y. And the last and final step is to isolate dy dx on the left-hand side, and to do that, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 1 minus x cosine of y. And that's our final answer. Hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for more.